Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to efficiently search for unread messages on LinkedIn using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a cluttered inbox, this guide will help you streamline your messaging experience. First, let's get started by opening LinkedIn. Head over to your browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look towards the bottom corner of your screen. You'll see the messaging bar icon, which resembles a speech bubble. Click on it to access your messages. This is where all your conversations are stored, including those unread messages that might be hiding from view. Now that you're in the messaging section, it's time to utilize the filter feature. At the top of the messaging window, you'll notice a search bar. Next to it, there's a filter icon. Click on that. This will open up options that allow you to refine your message search. From here, select Unread. This filter will instantly sort through your messages and display only those that you haven't read yet. With your unread messages now visible, you can take it a step further by searching for specific content within those messages. Simply type in what you're looking for in the search bar. Whether it's a name, a topic of discussion, or any keyword related to the conversation, this feature helps narrow down your search even more. This new update makes managing your LinkedIn messages much easier and ensures you never miss important communications again. By following these simple steps, opening LinkedIn, accessing the messaging bar, applying the unread filter, and searching for specific terms, you can keep your inbox organized and efficient. So there you have it, a quick and effective way to find unread messages on LinkedIn using your PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience.